Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. In this class, I am going to explain about statistics concept, which is more important. The name of the concept is measures of dispersion. Okay, measures of dispersion. Okay, the definition of measures of dispersion is scatteredness of the observations, or else we can say dispersion is the measure of variations of the items. Okay, I will tell the example so that you can understand the concept easily. Okay, here I have taken two examples, two data sets I have taken. In first case 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, in second case 19, 5, 1, 25 and 25. In the both cases the observations are same. Okay, in example 1 the observations are 5. In the example 2 the observations are 5. Okay, and mean of the values also same. Okay, mean means addition of all the observations divided by total number of observations. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 divided by 5, which is equal to 15. So mean of these observations are 15. Mean is 15. Okay, in this case also mean is 15. Okay, in the first case also mean is 15 and second case 19 plus 5 plus 1 plus 25 plus 25, which is equal to 75 divided by 5, which is equal to 15. So in the both cases mean is 15. Okay, but if you clearly observe this, in the first series the observations are close to one another. Means close to one another means near. What is the difference between these observations? If you observe carefully, then we can find 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, only five numbers are different. Okay, so in this case the observations are close to one another. If you observe the second example, the observations difference in the second series, observations are not close to each other. Okay, so these values are not close because so much difference is there. 19 minus 5 means 14. Okay, here also 25 minus 1, 24. Okay, in this case observations are close, in this case observations are not close. Okay, so we can say the dispersion is less in the first case. Okay, in this case dispersion, scatteredness means variation. Okay, variation will be variation, scatteredness is less. Okay, so in this case the dispersion is less. Okay, more. In the second case the dispersion is more because the scatteredness, the value of the scatteredness is more. Okay, here in this case the scatteredness is less. Okay, hope it's clear what is mean by scatteredness. Okay, means dispersion is the measure of the variations of items. Okay, for in this case scatteredness, if we find out the values of if we find out the range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation by using the formulas. Okay, here we have four types of observations, four types of formulas are there: range, quartile deviation, mean deviation and standard deviation. Four methods are there. Okay, in the dispersion, by using these four formulas we can find out the values. Okay, first I am going to explain about range. Range means the difference between two extreme observations. Okay, two extreme observations means largest minus smallest, L minus S. If we find out the largest minus smallest, then we will get the range of the observations. Here 4, 6, 9, 3, 7. I have taken the example 4, 6, 9, 3, 7. Here what is the largest value? 9 is the largest value. Okay, what is the smallest value? 3 is the smallest value. So L minus S equal to 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. Okay, L minus S. So the range formula is, range is 6. Maths marks of Ramu in 7 tests are 89, 73, 84, 91, 87, 77, 94. Find the range. Here what is the L? Largest value is 94. What is the smallest value? Smallest value is 73. L minus S, which is equal to 21. Okay. In my coming classes, I will explain about quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation. Okay, these three concepts I will explain in my coming video. Okay, hope it's clear. Dispersion means scatteredness of the observations. Okay, in this first example, scatteredness is less because all the observations are nearby. In the second observations, in the second series, observations are not close to each other. So we can say the dispersion is less in the first case and more in the second case. Okay, so hope it's clear dispersion topic. Okay, these are the 4 methods to find out the dispersion values. Okay, range, quartile deviation, mean deviation and standard deviation. In this class I have explained about range concept. In my coming videos I will explain remaining concepts. Okay, hope it's clear. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you very much. Bye everyone.